have a question. Can I hug you? It's a question.
여러분 셔도신 탐나 지리가 여러분 셔도 꿀에도 탐나 지리는 지리야나스
그래.
자 여러분 셔도 탐에 탐지라
It was amazing meeting His Holiness, and I think it's a really great experience meeting somebody with such high positive energy. It's a really nice feeling meeting him, and you get a lot of that positive energy. It's not just like that, but once you get the positive energy, I think you're happier, and it's a better thing, and you smile a lot more. It was a really good experience overall.
I'm Dr. Payal Kanodia, trustee M3M Foundation. We've been working in Dharamshala on this skill center which we started last year, and since then we were looking at seeking blessings from His Holiness. And today we got this opportunity, and especially when my family was there with me, and all the students who graduated from I Empower Academy of Skills were also present. We are totally blessed to have got these blessings from His Holiness. He came, addressed us in person, taught about peace that the world needs, and how everyone needs to feel together like brother and sister. And I absolutely cannot express how I feel getting blessed by him. Thank you.
As we see His Holiness hold you and hug you, so at that time, what do you feel?
You can only feel the positive energy, and I just can't express how good it feels.
Exactly.
And it was a really good experience meeting him, and it was unexpressible how blessed you feel when you get blessed by him. You feel very positive energy, and there's a lot of positive energy in you after you get blessed by him.
Yeah.
Overall it's a very good experience.
मैं आज यहाँ दलाई लामा जी के इस भवन में बड़ा अपने आप को आनंदित और खुश महसूस कर रहा हूँ। मैं धर्मशाला पहली बार आया हूँ, पर मैंने जो आके यहाँ फील किया है वो मैंने अपने जीवन में कभी इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं फील किया। दलाई लामा जी से मिलकर हमें एक नई अनुभूति हुई है कि वो कितने महापुरुष हैं। उन्होंने अपना जीवन पूरा तपस्या लोगों के लिए डोनेट किया है, और कितना उन्होंने एक मैसेज दिया है कि हमें हमेशा खुश रहना चाहिए, पीस ऑफ माइंड हमेशा मेंटेन रखनी चाहिए, और कभी लड़ाई झगड़े की बात नहीं करनी चाहिए। हर चीज़ का उन्होंने बताया कि सोल्यूशन प्यार मोहब्बत है, भाईचारा है, बैठकर हम हर चीज़ को सुलझा सकते हैं। वेपन्स उसका सोल्यूशंस नहीं है।
So is it your first time visiting Dharamshala?
Yeah, it's
first. First time?
Yeah, first time.
So how do you feel now?
We are very happy. We were very excited also to see him, to meet him, to listen him, and we are very blessed. Our kids are very blessed that we met him.